Hi, it's me Ploy. Welcome back to my channel, and this is my makeup routine 2024. My big difference between my last makeup routine video and this one is now I know the importance of skin prep before makeup. So we're gonna start with skincare. First one is the toner from Torriden. It is very hydrated and I love it so much. Next one is also Torriden. It is a serum. It helps you with moisturizer and stuff. It feels like water and non-sticky at all. It gives you so much hydration. Like how? Giving your skin enough moisture is very important. It's gonna make your makeup smooth and the product is gonna stick on your skin better and it's not gonna be greasy. You guys, please don't forget the sunscreen, and this one is from Numbuzin. I love it so much. It's so lightweight, non-sticky. It's just so easy to blend and feel just like the serum. And please use the primer. I personally love the In2It one. It's help smooth your pores and it's not oily. It's good for my skin. As you can see, my hand looks really smoother compared to the other side. I didn't expect this. Amazing. My skin is so ready. Okay guys, now let's get into makeup. Today I would like to use the cushion from Laneige. It's the pink one. Don't know why. Every time I use the green one, it's make my skin so greasy and no. Or if it's the day that I really want to use foundation, I'm gonna use this one from Rare Beauty. Look at my skin. It looks so natural and smooth and glowy. I want my skin to look like this without the cushion. Okay, let's go to concealer. I'm gonna use this palette from Dasique. I just realized that I keep using Korean products. I didn't mean it. I usually mix this with these three and tap it under my eyes. Now my skin is flawless, but I like to use the light color to highlight my forehead and the nose and here and the chin too. For the eyebrow, I use eyebrow pencil from Cezanne. They have two sides, blush and pencil. Honestly, I'm so bad at doing my brows. I just do this. Yeah, just feel it. Just that, like this. Okay, and this is how I do my brow. For the contour, I use this brush and the shading from Peripera. I just use these two color and mix it. Do it right here, like this, and here too. The nose, just here. Because my nose here is so flat, so I have to make this part pop up. For my new routine, I care a lot more of my personal color. I am deep winter, so I'm gonna use something like this, the mauve tone and cool tone purple edge. I am using the big brush with this pink and blend it around my eyelids and here. And I'm gonna use more of this pink and just like this. Then this small brush with the brown color and the darker one here. And I'm gonna use my finger with this glitter and apply it in the middle part. I'll just blend it a bit. This shimmer, apply it just here to make the dolly eyes. I'm using this BBIA eyeliner. I want to do the very light eyeliner in here and here. Then I'm using this eyeliner from Rom&nd. Draw the small line just like this. Follow your eyes shape and tap it here. Now we can finally do the cheeks part. I really love this new blush palette from Bisous. I'm not sure. I'm just gonna use this matte part and do it here and here. Blend it. Try to make it stay in this area and the nose and the cheek. Now we're gonna blend it with the blush from Dasique like this and just blend it so cute. I like to use this highlighter balm from Hince. It's so natural, you will not see any shimmer. Just this. Also here. A Then just blend it with your finger. My favorite part of makeup is doing lips. First, I'm gonna use this Charlotte Tilbury pencil liner in the shade Pillow Talk. It's super natural. And I'm using this tint. I like tap 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 tap. And my favorite lip gloss from Rom&nd in the shade 13 Custard Mauve. Here it is. So beautiful. It's not too pink, too red. I love it. And yeah, here is the final look. I hope myself 1 year after this will not hate this. Like I hate my old makeup routine from last year. And I did video about like copying my old makeup routine from last year. If you haven't seen it yet, don't forget to go watch it for me. See you next video. Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe.